Hey, we've been on Airbnb for about a month and we decided we're going to start recording our turnovers. So we just had our 5th stay and they checked out. It's pretty quiet, so hopefully everything is calm and easy on the inside.
Alrighty, so we're inside. Everything looks pretty tidy. Enjoyed the coffee bar. And
Ooh, they ate the popcorn!
Oh, finally. See, they started the dishwasher. Let's see if there's any goodies in the fridge. Nope, pretty clean. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Is this our lighter?
Yeah. Must have lit some candles. Yeah, they lit that one. Cozy. Let's go upstairs. To the bedrooms. They took the little tissue bow off. Towels in the hamper. Yep. And a little note. Pretty good stay.